And your hosts for tonight, Mr. Jason Domingo and Miss Eleanor Central.
Puno sa kalinawan, puno sa handulawan, mao ka na ang aton saad karong gabi una. Maayong gabi Supo, maayong gabi Carmen. Raise yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, for tonight, the Victor realm where legends are born, where heroes are made, and where magic come alive. These and more will open before our very eyes. Guys, right, mga let us bring forth the child in our hearts, for imagination is endless, and dreams know no walls. Tonight is for the young and young at heart. Step with us now into the wondrous Pinoy Fantasy World. Good evening to you, Sir Jay. You look extra blushing tonight. Matahong na kalabikong kanimo, Ma'am Ellen. I must say, you look extremely stunning tonight. Thank you so much. Now, speaking of extreme, I believe Carmen Activity Center is alive. Its heart beating with energy. Its walls echoing with anticipation. I can feel the thrill of a magical extravaganza awaiting us all tonight. Indeed, magical extravaganza. Definitely, Sir Jay, mga higala. Kuyugin kami karong gabi una kay ato ng ablihan ang ganhaan sa handurangan o ang handumanan sa atong kabatanunan where dreams and magic come alive. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Pinoy Fantasy World for this year's David Carmen Teacher